In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up client portals on monday.com so you can manage projects and communication in one organized space. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to monday.com. Log into your account, and once you're inside your workspace, you'll want to either create a new board or open an existing one that you'll use for client collaboration. Think of this board as your central hub where tasks, files, updates, and timelines all live in one place. Now, customize the board to match your workflow. Add sections for tasks, deliverables, files, notes, and deadlines so everything is clear and easy to follow for both you and your client. And once your board is set up, it's time to invite your client as a guest. Just click the invite option on the board and enter their email address. This allows them to access only the information shared on that specific board. From here, you'll want to adjust guest permissions. This is important because it lets you control exactly what your client can see or edit. You might allow them to view timelines and task progress while restricting access to internal planning or sensitive information. This keeps everything professional and secure. To make the client experience even smoother, use columns and views wisely. You can display timelines, task owners, statuses, and milestones, and switch between list, calendar, or Gantt views depending on what works best. This keeps your client informed without overwhelm. And that's it. You've now created a simple, effective client portal on monday.com that centralizes communication, improves transparency, and keeps everyone aligned. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.